So today we've got about 50 to 60 volunteers from Lockheed Martin that are out here that are upgrading this facility. We are painting, they're cutting bushes back, they're building fire pits. They're essentially upgrading and enhancing this facility to the benefit of veterans.
You know, we partner with Rebuilding Together because we are so connected, I would say, to the warfighter and the veterans in particular. And if you think about the mission of Rebuilding Together and their support of veterans, there's just a natural connection and relationship between Lockheed Martin, not just aeronautics, but across the corporation relative to Rebuilding Together.
So our goal is to keep people in their homes, and we do it for no cost to those homeowners. These are people who don't and can't afford to either make modifications in their house or to fix up things that are making them ill, leaky roofs, mold, that kind of thing. So we come in and we make that home safe for them again. And about 1.2 million veterans live in unsafe homes. We constantly are looking for partners that can help us in that space and help veterans. And Lockheed Martin, it shows up every single time.
We not only want to improve their homes, but we also want to improve the communities that they live in.
And so we'd like to give back to the community that we serve.
I'm a veteran myself, so I think it's very important to come out and just give back to the veterans that are in need.
Instead of having to worry about painting a facility, taking care of, the infrastructure, the resources around, we can do that for them. And they can take all those resources that would have been required and put it toward the veteran. If we can make a difference in a life, just one life, by helping provide for, to help to serve, to lend an ear, to shake a hand, to provide resources to help them get through an issue, wow, that's a win-win, right?
We believe in what they're all about. We believe in what Rebuilding Together is doing. It's our opportunity to give back to the community, to give back to the folks who gave everything for us.